guys, this is AI Builds and we're the AI Brothers. A few days ago, we posted a YouTube short on regarded for this LEGO Technic Gun.
We told you that we were going to post a video on instructions for it, so here it is. This gun is quite simple to use and works very efficiently. It can hold up to 6 bullets in this magazine, and it shoots really well as well. Be sure to like this video if you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe to our channel if you're new, or even if you've been watching our videos for quite a while and aren't subscribed. Comment down below what we should do next, and also share this video with your friends and family. On to the instructions. Here are the pieces you need for this build. Keep in mind that you need 16 of these, and also these 1, 2, 3, 4 aren't the same as these. They have a little circle at the front, like that. Here are the instructions for today's build. So first, you get this 7 length lift arm, and then put these blue connectors in, and then add this L there. Then you get these 5 lengths, put that there, there. Then you get this, put this there, and then this over here, and then put it here. Put this up here. Then you get these, put these two together, put this there, put this here, and this here, and then connect it over here, and then put this like that. Next, you get these two, put these two together, and get that, and then put this in there, and then you put this here, and then you can put this to the side, because then you get this and this, and put this together, and then put this in here, then slide this in there. Then you get your rubber band, hook it in there, wrap it around this, and then put it in here. You may need some assistance to hold this. While you wrap it around. Sorry about this, it's taking really long to put it in. Instead, what you can do is actually just wrap it around this first. And then bring it up. Finally, like that. Then you get your half stopper and put it there. Like that. You can hold this to the side. Next, you take this put this here. You get this, put this here. Hold this to the side, like there, because then you get this, and you put this here. Then you get this piece, put it in here. You get that, put that there.
And you hold this to the side in the corner or the side.
Then you get these, put these two here, turn the build around, make sure both of these are going half in, half out, like that. Make sure that this works kind of like a trigger, because it is the trigger. Then you get this, put these here, and you put this like that. This there, and then this goes in here. This can also be quite difficult to put in. There we go. Then you get this. Put this in the first hole. Then you get this. Put this up here. And then this goes around here. And then you can close it off with this. Sorry for going a bit slowly. You can put that down. Then you get these two. And then you also get these again up here. Up here, like right there. And then this connector here. Then you get this one. Put this here. Put this here. And put this there. And then you can put this on this. Right there. And then you can bring it down to close it. Like that. I accidentally didn't put this little one in, so make sure to also put this in. And then close it. Like that. Then you get this, put this through here, you turn the gun around, hang in there guys, put 3 of these in, and then put these there. Like that. Then you go here with the hold connector right there and there. And then you put the rubber band around it. Like that. Then you put this in here. like that. Next, get this, put this through there, put that there, put this there, and put this there, put it at the back of the gun, put it through, then you get your rubber band, stretch it to there, and then your other rubber band, stretch it to there, and then you can fill your ammo in over here, like that. And you're ready to shoot. We hope you liked this video and learned something from it. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed this type of content, subscribe to our channel if you're new, or even if you've been watching our videos for quite a while. Comment down below what we should do next. Share this video with your friends and family. And
Enjoy!